So I try to try. Hey everyone, it's me Renata and welcome back to my channel. And today I want to do a full makeup, just really quick, and show you my new palette by Colourpop, which is So Jaded by Kathleenlights. It is so gorgeous, you guys. Juice and my brushes together and go over to blend all the edges. It's here, back here. So I'm gonna add some mascara on my eyelashes and my lips, and I'll be back soon. So here's my today's makeup. I love how it came out. I love my eyes so much, and I think this lipstick by Kylie is matching really good. What I can say is this palette is so adorable. It inspires me on multiples makeup. I use it like every single day, and I have so many ideas yet. and I want to do it. I want to show all of them on Instagram. I will try to do more makeups for you guys. And oh, and I adore this liner. It's like the best. It's so pigmented, so liquidy, so it's so easy to apply it. Thank you all for watching this video with these pretty goodies from Colourpop. Leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys.